these.
We get to watch Ben blow his shit up. Yay! This part's got to go on Facebook, man. Starting now. Okay, Facebook. Ben has been struggling with a tire for about 15 minutes now, trying to get it to blow up, you know, to where it'll set the bead on the tire so it'll be stuck around the rim so it can be aired up. For those of you who don't understand what set the bead is. So far he's been quite unsuccessful.
There we go.
And he's still struggling trying to get this off. What he did was wrap that tie strap down, that ratchet strap. He's trying to bow out the edges so that it would catch when he put air in it. Fortunately, it didn't work.
Fortunately, your ratchet strap don't pull loose when it's tight.
Oh yeah, it does. You just don't know what you're doing. Hold up. Whatever, man. You still cheated.
Got it done.
Yeah, now I got to go back and fix it later on.
Didn't break it.
So, since that failed miserably, he's going to use that there can of heat and a lighter to pop that and set the bead. Oh shit. Waiting too long, it's evaporating. I need to spray it on the stick first. There, hold up. Give me that can of heat. Give me the can of heat. I really don't know what that is.
I don't know.
I've never heard it. Go ahead, set the bead. Look, what are you doing? The enemy has planted the bomb. It's you, Ben. You're beeping.
It ain't me.
Yes, it is. It ain't me.
I was beeping. I was gonna blow up.
Hand me that.
There's already a shit ton in there, bro.
Oh shit!
Almost.
Oh my god!
Almost.
That would have been so awesome.
Have you ever seen it done?
No, that's
Really?
why I'm so
this
excited.
is your first time.
Yeah, you're probably my ether cherry. Heat, starting fluid.
So we're gonna have to use a little bit more.
I'll take care of that. I promise you.
Okay, dude, that's good. All right.
Make it show. Oh, here. Oh, you missed! You missed! It's losing it!
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It went out. See, I've seen a lot of people burn themselves doing this. That's why I'm throwing this at it.
The only thing is, he throws like a little bitch.
No, just don't hit the hole off.
Put a little hair around it, you'll find it. This tire is just gonna blow the fuck up from all the ether in it. Really?
Really, Pooh?
Really, Ben? What are you doing, dude?
Good.
That's a good flame there. Throw it in there. Woo! There it goes. Oh, that
That's why you gotta
sucks.
put air to it right away.
Oh, that sucks. That was awesome. Did anybody else see that shit? That was fucking cool as shit. I guess y'all did because y'all were watching the video, but
You gotta put air to it right away.
nobody wants to be around that when that does
I know,
that.
that's the whole thing.
Stand a little closer, baby.
Here, I tell you what. You throw it, and I'll stand here as soon as it goes, I go, poof.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Who's gonna hold the camera?
I'll hold the camera.
Think that's a good idea, Ben?
Yeah. You might need that.
Up. Oh, shit!
You'll catch the truck on fire.
Damn it!
Wow, Pooh throws worse than I do.
I got scared, dude. I seen it just blow up. Really? Okay.
Let me aerate it a little bit.
We need to add more to it now.
That's it. All right, that's good, dude. It's gonna blow up.
What are you doing? You gotta be over here, man.
I'm finna come over there.
Come on, Ben.
Go.
Damn it!
Oh, you suck.
Fuck. I'm just gonna catch the stick on fur. Give it a minute. You know you can hit the flash button on top of mine and it'll work just fine.
I'm not trying to use the flash. I'm recording it with 2 phones at once.
Haha. Sweetness. Can't put air in it that way, Ben.
Yeah, I can. I'll run up to it.
This might be a bad. No, it's okay. Oh shit! It worked. I mean it.
There, I put it out. Well, you did see it work once.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't add enough that time.
So, I guess more is more.
More is better.
Mo better. That's why they didn't come up. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're gonna die.
Probably.
Well, you just nonchalantly throw it in the back of your truck. Come on, Pooh.
Oh, god damn it!
Man up, Pooh. Whoo! That flame, whoa! Pooh blows very well. Oh my god.
Fuck you, Ben. Okay. Need the heat again. Why is this working, Ben? That was cool the first time it worked.
I don't know.
Oh!
You got, dude, did you break my can of heat? Really? Now you got to figure out how to get my tire on my rim. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a little warm.
Definitely a little warm. Ha! Found it. Oh, fuck.
He dropped it.
I think I broke it completely. Yeah, Ben.
You suck, dude.
I broke the heat can.
You suck. Why'd you mess it up, Pooh?
Scared. I'm scared.
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
There's a leprechaun in the trees. You see the leprechaun?
Wow. Now what am I going to do, Pooh? You snorted.
I just got to hit the ribs with an air chuck. What do you think I'm going to do? Whoa, 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 dude. Oh, quit. Look at this tire on the fucking rim or not.
I'm waiting on you, Pooh.